So here we're fitting a U-channel cover strip. We find some contractors aren't aware of this. The purpose of this is to simply cover up the holes on the U-channel. One, as aesthetically it looks better, pleasing to the eye. Secondly, as a security measure. So with the U-channel cover strip, you get a packet of plastic bungs, which look like that. So as you can see down here, we've fixed them. One here behind the countersunk screw, one in the middle, and we're just going to fix one at the top here. And then our cover strip just slides over the just like that, keeping it flush with the top of your rail or the top of your composite or the top of your panel.